Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to sell Amazon products and earn commission through the Amazon Associates program. First, open your web browser and search for Amazon Associates. Sign in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, complete the registration process by entering your website, YouTube channel, social media page, or other platform where you'll be sharing Amazon products. After your application is approved, you'll get access to the Amazon Associates dashboard. From there, search for any product you want to promote. Generate your unique affiliate link for that product. Now share your affiliate link on your YouTube videos, website, blog, or social media accounts. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a qualifying purchase, you'll earn a commission from Amazon at no extra cost to the buyer. The more helpful content you create and the more people who use your links, the more commission you can potentially earn. You can also track your clicks, sales, and earnings directly from your Amazon Associates dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can sell Amazon products and earn commission with the Amazon Associates program. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.